We've just installed the Toyota Sienna Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see we've booted into the new Hamilton operating system here. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds on the steering wheel will switch you between the Hamilton system and the original system. On the original side, you're going to want to make sure that you have set your audio source to aux mode. Long holding that voice speech button for 3 seconds will bring us to the Hamilton system. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, and the Bluetooth menu, and you're going to locate your new device name that starts with Hamilton. Click on it. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair. Click Allow to Favorites and Contacts, and if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Just like that, CarPlay will automatically open. This is fully touchscreen. You can also use the knob here to interact with CarPlay. We'll show you through all the features of CarPlay in a separate video. If you have any questions, our customer support team is available at 919-858-2890. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.